Okay, so you're ready to start running ads, but you have not set up your payment details yet. How do you do that? Setting up your payment details is very easy. Come here, you see right here on top, and then under that, you'll see your user. Click on user. You can click on user settings, or alternatively, you can also click on business center. And then once you get to business center, select your ads account. And then it will naturally bring you to this page. You can see you can build your team here, add team members, like if you have a social media manager that is helping you with your ads, or if you have someone in an agency that is working with you to help you run advertisements, this is where you add your team members. So you just come, start, and then invite members, and then select. So it depends. Do you want to invite a team member, or you want to collaborate other business accounts like a partner? So you invite member, and then select next. Once you get to there, so you'll see a list of all the people that you have given access to. So to add new members, you just select add new members, and then you enter the email address of the person that you want to invite, and then assign their admin status. Do you want them to have full admin status, meaning they can control everything in your business center? Or are you giving them standard, some access but not fully? Or you want them to control the money? Yeah, who have all features. Finance manager and finance analyst have access to features that control the money in your ad account. So I'll select admin, and then once that is done, TikTok will send out the invitation, and then all the person has to do, the person with the email address, all they have to do is accept the invitation. Then under business manager, we have under business center, we also have improve your account security. So you set up two-factor authentication to prevent your account from being hacked. But for now, we are setting up payment details. So to set up payment details, come here, select start. It should bring you finance access required. Only members with finance access. Update access settings. Okay. Complete your payment setup to start running ad balance. Okay, confirm. So once you enter the amount you want to spend, it will bring you to this section where you can add your card number. So I'll do that now. And if you're watching this step by step, you should be doing it the same. So fill in your card number, your expiry date, your CVV or CVC, and the name on the card. So if you don't have access to a card, a Visa card, you can also pay for your TikTok ads through the M-PESA Global Pay. So to access that, go to your Safaricom app, enter your PIN, which should bring you to your dashboard. So to access the Global Pay, you want to scroll down up until you find to get to do more with M-PESA, Global Payments. Select Global Payments. And then you'll find M-PESA Visa card. Select that. This is now what you will use to pay for your TikTok ads. So enter your PIN. Once you enter your PIN, this is what the Global Pay card looks like. Now, once you flip see the card, see card details, you'll be able to enter that information that you need to enter. The name of the card, the expiry date, as well as the CVV. Once you select C card, flip card, you'll find all that information on the back of that card, and that's what you'll use. Select make payment. Confirm. And then you will receive a bill. We just sent you a verification code by text message to your mobile number, the amount you're willing to spend. Then let's see the OTP. It has sent me an OTP. So you put in the number. And then you submit.
Payment successful, and just like that, you can start running TikTok ads. I see I have available cash is 4,000 shillings, and if I want to add balance, I just need to select add balance, select the amount I want to add, maybe 3,000 shillings, and then confirm, and then we'll go through the process again. So that's how you pay for your TikTok ads with a card, and specifically with M-PESA, with Safaricom. That's how you pay for your TikTok ads on TikTok Ads Manager. That's how you add your payment information. If I have lost you anywhere, if you want me to hold your hand through this process of setting up your TikTok ads and then running them step by step, please reach out. We have training for beginner business owners that are running TikTok ads for the first time, and we have training for digital marketers that want to learn how to run TikTok ads and add it as a service to make money. So please reach out, and we will walk you through it from start to finish. We have the best beginner digital marketing training course in Kenya. So we can't wait to hear from you.